Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So, as you read from the title of the video, today I am going to share my experience with this beautiful machine, that is the Yamaha R15 V3. This bike is owned by a good friend of mine and he even has his own YouTube channel. So if you'll want a more detailed and in-depth user experience with the R15 V3, I would highly suggest you to check out his channel Ride Nation or visit the first link in the description of this video. But yeah, after watching this video fully. Also, technical specifications of the bike will be listed on the bottom left corner of the screen throughout the video. A little fun fact for you guys, I was actually considering 3 more bikes before buying my Himalayan and R15 was on that list too. Can you guess which are the other 2 bikes? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, coming back to today's video. But yeah, before that, I post videos every week related to bikes and traveling. So if that is what y'all are interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. With that said, let's get started with the video. So as always, I've divided the video into parts where I talk about the bike's looks, comfort, performance, handling, mileage, some special features, pros and cons, and customization options, and how I would customize it if I was the owner of the motorcycle. Coming to the first point, which is looks. Show me any other super sport in this price and power range which looks as beautiful as the R15. It turns head no matter where you go. I think I should just stop talking and show you how beautiful this machine actually looks. So with the first point done, let's move to the next 4 points, which are comfort, performance, handling, and mileage, which are best experienced while riding. Comfort-wise, it's definitely not as comfortable as the Himalayan, but at the same time, it's definitely manageable. As for a person like me, who is not used to this kind of riding position, I could ride all day without any pain in my wrist, shoulders, or lower back. Because the suspension setup on this is soft enough to soak our massive speed breakers and potholes and our uneven roads pretty well. And at the same time, aspiring confidence in corners. Performance-wise, I think this is the best performing machine in this segment. It definitely doesn't feel like a 150cc bike, and it can surely outperform some higher cc motorcycles. Don't believe me? Well, check it out for yourself after this video on the channel Ride Nation. Also, the heat management on this motorcycle is amazing. For the whole day, it didn't even heat up once. On the handling front, I would say that if we compare the handling of my Himalayan weight-wise to an Activa, for me, R15 was like a cycle. It is so light and so easy to move around even while parked in a garage. And also while riding, it was so easy to make the bike go where you want it to go and also stay planted in the corners. During the whole day, I got an average of 50 km per liter. Yes, 50. Even the owner told me that he gets a daily average of 48 to 50 every time. Now, talking about some special features which I noticed on the bike. Well, for a 150cc bike, it comes with dual channel ABS and a slipper clutch, which works perfectly fine. Now coming to some pros and cons. Let's talk about the positives first. Pros definitely has to be its looks, the performance on offer, and also the mileage. Cons. Nothing is perfect. And for starters, these clunky, bulky side lights just spoil the whole look of the motorcycle. Then the fit and finish isn't the best. As you can see here, there are big gaps between the panels and the seats, and also the panels themselves. Also, some of the fibers on the motorcycle are fitted very clumsily. One funny thing I noted about the R15 is this. I don't know if it is with this R15 or with all of them, but when I try to put the key, I put it here by mistake most of the time. So I don't know, this fit and finish, and plus there's rust issue. Also, these rear view mirrors, which you can adjust while riding, unlike on the RR310, but they are pretty much useless as I could only see my arm in it, and I had to move my arm every time to see behind. But again, I think these are just few things which I noticed on a motorcycle. Now, coming to my favorite part, which is customization. And luckily, there are many options and parts available to customize your R15. From winglets to bubble visors to tail tidy to spoilers and some body kits as well. And some of which my friend has already installed them on the bike, such as this tail tidy and these winglets. I would also go on and add a new pair of LED indicators in the front. Also, I would add a pair of bar and mirrors. So with that, we reach the end of the video. And if you have any more questions related to the bike, comment down below and I'll try to answer them all. So here are the top comments of my previous video, and be sure to comment this time to be featured in my next video. Also, let me know which bike you guys want to see next on the channel. And if you all made it till here, be sure to click that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share the video ahead with your friends on WhatsApp and Facebook. And I'll see you in my next video.